ಯಾವುದು ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ರಾಮನವಮಿ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಯಿತು ಅನಿಸ್ತು. ರಾಮನವಮಿ ದಿವಸ ನಮಗೆ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಕೇಳೋ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ನೋಡೋ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂತೂ, ಆ ಗುರುಗಳಾದ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಯವರಂತೂ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇದು ಕೂಡ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೊರತು ಅದು ಭಾವಗಳಾಗಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ತುಂಬ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಅನಂತ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದೇವರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ, ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಮತ್ತು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ. ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಗಾರ್ತಿಯರಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯಾಂಜಲಿ ರಾವ್ ಅವರಿಂದ, ಮುಂಬೈಯವರಿಂದ ಈಗ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಿರುಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. Priyanjali Rao is a dedicated Bangalore-based Bharatanatyam performer who has trained and performed for over 2 decades under Guru Srimati Revati Srinivasa Raghavan at Nritya Ranjini Fine Arts, Mumbai. She is an A-graded Doordarshan artist and recipient of the prestigious government scholarship from the Center for Cultural Resources and Training, as well as the Spik Mackey Gurukul Scholarship. She holds Alankar and Visharad certifications from Gandharva Mahavidyalaya and currently pursuing her master's degree in Bharatanatyam. Her artistic journey includes awards such as the Meritorious Dancer Award from Parthasarathi Swami Sabha and solo performances at esteemed festivals and venues. Her performance highlights include presenting a live solo Margam for Tapas Natyotsava 2026 Chennai, Natyarangam 2025 at Narada Ganasabha Chennai, the Chembur Fine Arts Society Mumbai, and a solo performance at Ananya Samarpana Bengaluru, etc. She premiered Arohara, a thematic Margam on Lord Muruga in Mumbai in 2024. Additionally, she has presented solo Margams at Mantana Festival Mangalore, inaugurated by Srimati Vidya Subramanian, Nalanda Nrityotsava Mumbai, and at Medai Margali Bangalore, Kriya Utsava Bangalore, among others. She has performed in productions like Tiruchendur, choreographed and directed by Srimati Karuna Sagari Venkatachalam, and has been a part of Padma Shri Malavika Sorukkai DIP residence in 2025. Internationally, her performances span the US, Dubai, London, and the Netherlands. She has been a part of Padma Shri Guru Saroja Vaidyanathan's production Namami Gange, presented at Rashtrapati Bhavan. In addition to her artistic accomplishments, Priyanjali holds master's degree in finance, has worked at Ernst & Young, and currently serves as a senior UX designer at a Bangalore-based product management company. Dance remains her ultimate passion, and she aspires to carve a distinctive niche as a traditional Bharatanatyam performer. Now we are going to witness the Bharatanatyam by Shri Priyanjali Rao. We call upon Madam to come and perform. Thank you.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om to one and all. My Kannada is not as good as Lakshmi Akka, so I will stick to English today. On the onset, I would like to thank Shri Rama Seva Mandali and Dinakar sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I would like to thank Pradesh Acharya sir for being here and also for again giving me this wonderful opportunity, and also all the committee members. Today, I will begin my recital with Atodaya Mangalam. Atodaya Mangalam, as opposed to what the name suggests, is actually a starting piece of a recital which contains different shlokams from the Bhajana Sampradaya. This is considered to be auspicious, and that is why we start a program, and especially on the auspicious occasion of Ramanavami. I will begin today's recital with Atodaya Mangalam, Jaya Janaki Ramana. This is in Raga Malika and Tala Malika. Basically, the ragams and the talams change after every set of paragraphs. The music credits go to Kalakriya. Thank you.
जानकी रमण जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय दीन करुणा जय जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय दीन करुणा जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय दीन करुणा जय जानकी रमण जय विभीषण चरण जय सरोरुग चरण जय दीन करुणा चरणु चरणु सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस कर संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु 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 सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस कर संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु 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 सुरेन्द्र सन्नुत चरणु श्री सती वल्लभा चरणु राक्षस कर संहर चरणु वेंकटनायका स्वामी श्री रघुनायका विजय वेंकटनायका चरणु ಮುರಹರ ನಗರ ಮುಕುಂದ ಮಾಧವ
we're presenting a very popular Dikshitar Kriti, Rangapura Vihara. This is in Raga Vrindavana Saranga. Here, the poet describes the beauty of the Lord of Srirangam, the one who's born to the Raghukula dynasty, the one who has beautiful lotus-like face, lotus-like feet that I surrender to. I don't think this needs more of a description. Presenting Rangapura Vihara.
Rangapura Vihara Shri Rangapura Vihara Shri Rangapura Vihara Shri Rangapura Vihara Jaya Kodandarama Varara Raghuvira 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 Shri Rangapura Vihara Angaj Janaga Devangaj Janaga Devangravana Sarange Pravaradharamanta Ranga Angaj Janaga Devangravana Sarange Pravaradharamanta Ranga Shyamananga Vihanga Turanga Tadaya Panga Satsanga Ranga Pura Vihara Shyamananga Vihanga Turanga Tadaya Panga Satsanga Ranga Pura Vihara पङ्कजात कूलजल निधि सोमवर पङ्कज मुख पटा धीराम पद पङ्कज जीत काम रघु राम पङ्कज जीत काम रघु राम कगद सीता वरवेश शेषांक शयन भक्त संतोष येण गरवि नयन मृदुदर भाष आकळंग दर्पणग पोल विशेष मुनि संकट हरण गोविंद वेंकटरमण मुकुंद संकट हरण गोविंद वेंकटरमण मुकुंद कंगक्षण मूलकंद शंकर गुरु गुहानंद रंग पूर विहार मुनि संकट हरण गोविंद वेंकटरमण मुकुंद संकर्षण मूलकंद शंकर गुरु गुहानंद रंग पूर विहार जय कोदंड रामावतार रघुवीर श्रीरंग पूर विहार श्रीरंग पूर विहार रंग पूर
The beauty of our students and performers of Bharatanatyam are that we all have our favorite songs. So the way Akka chose Tulsidas Bhajan, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana, that is one of my favorites too. So I think what you can witness is the beauty of how two dancers look at the same piece of song in two completely different ways. So I will next be presenting Tulsi Das Bhajan, Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana. This rendition particularly is in Ragamalika, which again means that each stanza is in a different ragam. And of course, as the meaning goes, it says that Sri Ramachandra, O Rama, come please show some kripa, come show some compassion towards me. You are the one born to the Raghu clan, the eldest son of King Dasharatha, the husband of Sita, the one who's Ajanubhuja with the long arms who kills the mighty Ravana. Tulsidas concludes to say that, O Sri Rama, come settle in my lotus-like heart. Sri Ramachandra Kripalu Bhajamana.
श्रीरामाय नमः। श्रीरामभद्राय नमः। राजीवलोचनाय नमः। जानकी वल्लभाय नमः। श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारु। श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हृदयदारु। नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्जपदगदारु। नवकञ्जलोचन
Coming from Mumbai, for us something very special is our abhangs. Abhang is a Marathi bhajan in praise of Lord Vithala. Rama, Vithala, they're all the same. So I will now present an abhang. This is here actually the most beautiful part is the poet Sant Janabai sees Panduranga dancing himself. A statue of Panduranga comes into life and starts dancing. And she says, look at Namadeva singing. He's another bhakta. Look at the way he's singing that Vithala, the God himself, cannot contain himself. And he starts dancing. Janabai sees this riot and this chaos of bhakti. And she gets lost in the trance of bhakti. She sees Vithala getting lost in that trance. Vithala dances with that bhakti with such trance that his anga vastram, his pant comes off, and she says that at that time Sant Kabir comes and says, Vithala, halu, halu, slow down, Vithala. The last stanza, Zanabai sees all the devotees. She sees what a holy land this is, where the bhaktas are dancing with such so much of devotion. She sees Vithala himself dancing. She sees the floor where all the dust of everyone's footprints are there. She takes that, she puts it on her head, and she says, Oh Vithala, take me away from this cycle of life and death. Namadeva Kirtana Kari Prema Bhari Natse Panduranga. Namaste.
Transfer. Gifts. Pass.
Priya, water.
Panduranga Ranga Vithala Panduranga Panduranga सांभल सावध होवे देवा ऐसे बोले कबीरा सावध होवे देवा ऐसे बोले कबीरा नामदेव कीर्तन करी प्रेम भर नाच पांडुरंगा नाच पांडुरंगा नाच पांडुरंगा नाच पांडुरंगा नाच पांडुरंगा नामदेव कीर्तन करी प्रेम भर नाच पांडुरंगा नाम्याची जणी लोले संतांचे पायी 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 जन्म मरण पासून मुक्ती करके विठाबाई जन्म मरण पासून मुक्ती करके विठाबाई जन्म मरण पासून मुक्ती करके विठाबाई विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल
The melodious violin that you hear is by none other than Shri Pradesh Acharya sir. This is beautifully played by him only. Thank you so much. Before I move on to the concluding piece, I would once again like to thank Sir Dinakar sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity, to all the committee members, and none other than anyone, Sri Pradesh Acharya sir, for recommending me and for saying that you should come here and dance. Thank you so much for doing this. Thank you, it is an honor to dance here. I will and also thank you to everyone here for staying here and encouraging me. I will be concluding with a traditional Tilana. This again is in Ragam Vrindavana Saranga, a composition of Sri Balamurali Krishna, and I will be ending it with a small Mangalam. Thank you.
ದೀಪ್ತನನ ದಿತಿಲನ ತಿಲನನ ಕೃಡಿ ದೀಪ್ತನನ ದಿತಿಲನ ತಿಲನ ನಕೃತಿ ನಕೃತಿ Thank you. Thank you.